Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. Yeah, me. Guess what? Straight to the point. I have this 2015 Mazda 3, and guess what? We're gonna replace the You know what this is? You know what it is? Yep, you're right. This is the window motor, and we're gonna do the rear driver side. Yep. 2015 Mazda 3. Replace not this one, but this one right here. We're gonna replace the window motor, and come with me. I'll show you how to do it. All right. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm saying, and here to go again, and I'm gonna say it again. 90% of the people that watch my videos haven't subscribed to my channel. So what you waiting for? These things for free, man. By the time this, 10 years, 5 years from now, probably YouTube is gonna charge you to watch my videos. So I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying. Take advantage. I'm saying 2 for 1, 3 for 5. I'm saying 5 for 3, whatever. Whatever, bro. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and destroy the subscribe button. Bang the like button, and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Alright, come with me. I'll show you how to replace this window motor. Alright, with a stool. With me. It's me. I do it. This is what I do, bro. Alright, let's get it. With a stool. Hey! Wait. Hold up. Before I get into the action, I just want to let you know why I'm replacing this window motor. It's because, look, I press a button, right? And it's gonna go down, but when it goes to here, you try to go up, it doesn't go up. You have to help it. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna, maybe the motor lose power. You know what I'm saying? It's been 7 years? I don't know. Maybe they play too much with this window, with this button. But it's not the switch. So I assume it's the motor. I'm gonna replace the motor and see how it goes from there. Alright, so come with me. I'll show you how to do it with a stool. Hey! Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to the back. Yeah, I mean, well, I hope you liked the video how to change the window motor in this 2015 Mazda 3. As you can see, someone gave me the wrong part, but I'm glad I show you how to replace the part. As you can see, there's two screws, one by the handle and the other one by the cup. Alright, the cup holder. And you just loose those, unscrew those, and just, you can do it with a tool or with a kind of like a pry bar made of plastic, if you don't want to damage the paint in the panel. You know what I'm saying? Pry that, and then the panel is gonna come out. Disconnect the switch in the back. Disconnect the switch in the from the panel. Then this thing is just gonna come out just like that. There's one screw here and one screw here. Okay. And that's it. The way I remove the window motor, that's the way you're gonna put it back. It just, you know what I'm saying? It goes in reverse. That's all you gotta do. It's not that difficult. From 1 to 10, I want to say difficulty is like, let's say 1, 2, not even 2, just 1. All right. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy, and I hope it was helpful for to succeed with your project. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the feedback, please put in the comment box for me, and I catch you up later. All right. I'm out. Let's do it. Hey.